What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to quickly fix internet and network related problems on your Windows PC. First, search for Control Panel in your Start menu search and press Enter. In the Control Panel, select Network and Internet, and then go ahead and click on Network and Sharing Center. Once you're here, head over to the top left and select Change Adapter Settings. You now see a new window pop up, and you need to locate Wi-Fi, which should be listed here. Right-click on it and select Properties. Scroll down and locate Internet Protocol version 4. When you find it, click on it and then select Properties. Now, look for the section that says Use the following DNS server addresses. The DNS server address I recommend using is 888A for the preferred DNS and 8844 for the alternative DNS. Alternatively, you can use 1111 and 1001. Once you've entered the preferred DNS, click OK to apply the changes. Now right-click on Wi-Fi again and go back to your properties. This time, select Configure and a new window will open. Head over to the Advanced tab, and here make sure that 2.4 GHz is set to Auto and 5 GHz is also set to Auto. Next, go down to Preferred Band, click on it and change it to Prefer 5 GHz HS as well. Click OK and your settings will be updated. This may take a moment as your connection resets and you might need to reconnect your network. Now, let's move on to another method that can help fix network issues. In your Start menu, search for CMD and run it as an administrator. In the Commands prompt window, enter the commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, ipconfig/flushdns, netsh winsock reset. After entering these commands, restart your computer and verify if your internet connection improves. Next, let's check for any applications that might be consuming unnecessary bandwidth. Open your Task Manager by searching for it in your Start menu and hit Enter. Under the Processes tab, look for any programs consuming a high amount of network resources. You can filter the results by network usage to see which apps are using the most bandwidth. Right-click on any unnecessary programs and select End Task. Also, check the Background Processes section and any unwanted applications running in the background. Now, switch over to the Startup tab in your Task Manager and look at the list of enabled programs. Some applications, such as the Right Client, Steam, and Epic Games, may be set to launch on startup and automatically begin downloading updates right after launching. If you see any such apps enabled, right-click on them and choose Disable. This will prevent them from consuming bandwidth every time you start your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.